Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bunch of Opportunities. In today's video, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Sustainable Development League or SDL Youth Assembly 2025, which is a fully funded global leadership event that brings together changemakers from around the world, which will be held in the vibrant city of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And this assembly is your chance to lead the change for a more sustainable future. So let's deep dive into the details about SDL Youth Assembly 2025. What is SDL Youth Assembly? So the SDL or Sustainable Development League Youth Assembly is a transformative 4-day program happening from July 23 to 26, 2025 in Jeddah. And it's more than just a conference, it's a platform that empowers global youth to address urgent global challenges through dialogue, innovation, and cross cultural collaboration. In this youth assembly, there are like 4 key themes, and this assembly are deeply aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals. First one is economic transitions, conflict resolution, third, cultural representation, and fourth, inclusive security. Participants will have the opportunity to explore all of these key themes and embrace cultural representation in policymaking and promote inclusive security for all communities. Now let's get to know what are the eligibility criteria if you want to apply for this youth assembly. So it is open to individuals across the world, and if you are between 16 and 50 years old, you are eligible for the application. Whether you are a student, young professionals, activist, or community leader, this opportunity is open to youth from every corner of the world who are passionate about creating a better future. So let's now talk about benefits of the participation. Like if you are going to participate, what will be your benefits? So the moment you know the benefits, it will motivate you for the application. So this is a fully funded opportunity. That's right. Your travel, accommodation, food, even materials will be all covered, and you will connect with a global network of like-minded youth, gain leadership, mentorships, and even have the chances to perform Umrah, a spiritual pilgrim that makes this event truly unique. Application process. So application is easy. You have to just go to the official website, which I will attach in the description. Then you have to complete online form with your personal details and academic details, and you have to submit any required documents if they ask, and a good motivation letter, and then sit back and wait for the selection announcement. Make your calendars. The last date to apply is May 25, 2025. So don't wait too long for the last day for the application. The event itself take place from July 23 to 26, 2025. And this could be the summer that changes your life. So here comes with some tips for successful application. If you want to boost your chances, be genuine and passionate in your application. Talk about your leadership journey, your impact in your community, and how your goal aligns with the sustainable development goals. Be clear, concise, and let your voice shine. And don't miss this chance. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. Connect, learn, and lead. So click the link in the description for the apply. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and like, share, and subscribe for more global opportunities with a bunch of opportunities, and share it with your friends. Thank you.